A new grim milestone in the pandemic. 5 million people have died across the world from COVID-19. The U.S. has recorded more of those deaths than any other country, with 745,000 lives lost. But there is some hope on the horizon. In Florida, new cases and deaths have continued to decline, and Duval County has reached a level not seen in more than a year. News4JAX consumer investigator Lauren Verno joins us now. And Lauren, this comes as the CDC is expected to recommend Pfizer's vaccine for young children tomorrow.
So overall, good news in the fight against the pandemic. For the first time in months, Duval County's positivity rate is what's considered to be a low transmission level. So before we were at that high transmission level. It's now 2.9%, down from 3.7% the week before. But with 41.2 cases per 100,000 people last week, Duval County is still at what is the CDC considers a moderate transmission level. Still, it is a step in the right direction.
They are numbers we have not seen in months. Is this finally we're getting over the hump?
Yeah, I think a combination of a few things. So the number of people who have been vaccinated, obviously, is the biggest contributing factor to us maybe getting to that right at the top of the hump where we're about to start coming down.
UF Health Jacksonville's Dr. Chirag Patel says people getting immunity through COVID infection is also a contributing factor, but not a reason to not get vaccinated.
Which, again, as a reminder, is shorter lived than vaccine-mediated immunity. So if you've had COVID and you're holding out, please don't do that. Please go seek the vaccine if you're cleared by your physician to do so.
Meanwhile, 28 million children ages 5 to 11 are expected to become eligible for Pfizer's vaccine after the CDC makes their recommendation tomorrow.
Over the next couple of days, several million doses will start arriving at local pediatricians and family doctors' offices, pharmacies, children's hospitals, community health centers, rural health clinics, and other locations. More doses will be packed and shipped and delivered each and every day over the next week or so.
With the FDA's approval of the vaccine last week, 15 million doses went out across the country. But the White House says the full rollout of vaccines is slated for next Monday, November 8th.
So really tomorrow or whenever the CDC makes that recommendation, shots can start going out, but the White House really pushing for that November 8th date. Meanwhile, this weekend, Moderna announced they were delaying their request for an emergency use authorization for its vaccine for kids 12 to 17 because of a potential increased risk of a heart condition after the second dose. Now, when the task force was asked about these issues, the panel emphasized the rollout right now is only for Pfizer and that there is enough vaccine for anyone 5 and up who wants one. Mary, Kent?